First, the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police abuse and misconduct, rather defunding the police. Well, I am as the leader of opposition will disclaimer that we should support the police brutal and ladies and gentlemen that I want to rebut from the Prime Minister for the government team that when she say that this motion from his side, he said that he always explained about equality and inequality. We are from the opposition team that we totally disagree with this with the statement, because we know that the police in the different personality of this police is not same. So we should give the different treatment for the individuality police. So because of that we can take the better result than choose the prefers the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police police abuse and misconduct. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring two argument of my speech. The first one is I want to improve to you that why this house if we prefers the strategy of pushing for institutional reforms to address police abuse and misconduct, rather than funding the police, it's not be a solved problem. It's not become a good solution for our motion today. And the second is that I want to explain that why we prefer the funding the police than choose the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police abuse and misconduct. Well, the first one is let's come to my first argument that we believe that as the negative team, we believe that it's not be we believe that this motion, this house prefers the strategy of pushing for institutional reforms to address police abuse and misconduct rather than funding the police. It's not solved the problem, because we know that the personality, the behavior of the different for each police is different, and we know and realize that there are the good police, there are the bad police. So we should give them, and we should give the punish for the bad police, for the police who have the bad behavior for him. And we know that why this motion it's not solve the problem, because of we cannot make the old police make the like seems like have the some behavior. We believe it's this motion it's not be a solve the problem, but instead it will more big impact in the end of the day, because of we pushing we choose the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police abuse and misconduct rather than funding of the police. And ladies and gentlemen, the second reason, in the second argument, that why why we should defend the police in the end of the day, we believe that it will give the positive impact in the end of the day, because it's mean that defending the police, it's mean that it will impact for their personality. It will give them for the police who have the bad behavior, who have who have the bad personality in their work. Why? Because we know that if we choose this defunding the police, it's become a solution for our motion. Why? Because for give the impact, for the big impact, they influence them to become better in the future. Why? Because we know that our police, if we choose the funding the police rather than the strategy of pushing for institutional reform to address police abuse and misconduct, we believe it will give the big impact. It will influence the police as psychologically. Why? Because we know that this police will want money for their life, for continue for their life. So we should give big, we should give the big impact. We should give the really big impact for them, so they can learn about their mistakes in the past, so they can be better person. They can be better person. They can be better person for their future, so they cannot do the same mistake for the future. So why this is very important? Because it will stop the bad behavior for the police, and will be a good impact in the end of the day, because they can learn and know that the behavior of this, that behave in the past, be a police in the past experience is very bad, and in the next future, in the next day, they can learn and they learn and do better and do better as a personality. So we, as the negative team, we totally disagree with this motion today, that this House prefers the strategy of pushing for institutionally reform to address police abuse and misconduct rather than funding the police. Thank you very much.